As of January 12, 2025, there have been no new rules introduced by the Supreme Court of India specifically concerning charge sheets. However, several significant judgments in 2024 have addressed various aspects related to charge sheets.
Limitation on filing supplementary charge sheets. In March 2024, the Supreme Court criticized the Enforcement Directorate, ED, for its practice of filing multiple supplementary charge sheets to prolong investigations and keep accused individuals incarcerated without the provision of default bail. The court emphasized that this approach undermines the purpose of default bail, which is to prevent indefinite detention without trial. The court stated, "You cannot keep on filing supplementary charge sheet and the person is in jail without trial. Accused cannot submit materials at charge framing stage." In October 2023, the Supreme Court ruled that an accused person does not have the right to submit any material or documents at the stage of framing charges to seek discharge. The court clarified that, according to the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, the trial court should evaluate the facts based on the charge sheet alone to determine if sufficient grounds exist for proceeding to trial. Filing charge sheets despite interim orders. In December 2024, the Supreme Court observed that a charge sheet cannot be filed if there is an interim order restraining the state from taking coercive action against the accused in a criminal case. The court discharged contempt notices issued to police officers who had filed charge sheets despite such interim orders, emphasizing the need to respect judicial directives. Procedure under Section 235, (2) CRPC. In October 2024, the Supreme Court clarified that the procedure under Section 235, (2) of the CRPC, which involves hearing the accused on the question of sentence after conviction, cannot annul the judgment of conviction itself. The court dismissed an appeal seeking a fresh hearing due to the transfer of the presiding officer after conviction, stating that the new officer is required to hear the accused on the quantum of the sentence but not on the conviction. These judgments provide clarity on procedural aspects related to charge sheets and reinforce the importance of adhering to due process in the Indian legal system.